Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate and bless Nathan and Emily's wedding day in this beautiful setting. All those present have come to witness and celebrate your love and commitment this day, eager to be part of the story not yet told.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I vow to love and care for you as long as we both shall live. I take you with all of your faults and strengths as I offer myself to you. With all of my faults and strengths, there's a lot. I vow to help you when you need help and turn to you when you need help. I vow to choose you every day, over and over, in good times and bad. And with this ring, I take you to be my lawfully wedded wife, my constant friend, my partner in crime, and my love from this day forward.
When we first met, I found my best friend who I fell in love with. We've already been through a lot together, and I can always count on you to make me laugh, feel safe and feel loved. You've always believed in me and are always there for me. I couldn't ask for more. Today I am lucky enough to marry my best friend, and I promise you through our ups and downs that I will always believe in you, be there for you, make you smile and love you forever. I can't wait to be your wife and start a new life with you.
She hates it when I don't listen. She's right, I don't. She has an extremely weak bladder. She thinks she is a bad dancer. She is correct. She thinks I'm a bad dancer. She is incorrect. She gets angry when she is not fed and watered at correct times. She enjoys long car rides with me because she knows she gets nap time in peace. She hates that she now loves sci-fi TV and film. My fault. She claims that she is a dog kind of gal, but I really know she is a cat kind of gal. She plays with my hair when I ask, even though she hates it. She is beautiful, but will never realise it. She makes me a better man every day I am with her. She's perfect to me in every way. Emily, you look absolutely beautiful today. When I saw you down that aisle, I knew I was the luckiest man ever, and I will cherish you for the rest of my life. I love you. To my wife!